was going, and he's all like blowing. I winded his feathers. Leaving. Come. Come. Hey, baby. Yeah, I had set the front in there. I tried to weigh it down with the bucket of nails and things, and came out here and nope, it was blowing like crazy. The bucket had rolled outside. Like, we have some crazy heavy wind. These guys would like to stay inside more. I don't know if it's because of the other two sitting on the eggs and they're excited for their family, or if it's the crazy weather. It's just a little bit chilly, but lots of wind. I guess tiny little birds like them don't like a lot of wind, huh? You like to fly on your own terms, and you can't do that, huh? It's like, this one's going to pick me up and take me away, uh-huh. You pretty boy. It's like, why is your lap out there? You pretty boy. It's funny because I've had water to fill fresh food and filled all the waters. So the mamas got up off their eggs, were over there eating and drinking out of the bar water for some reason. And I think the second one was ready to go back. This crazy big wind came along, scaring everybody. She was clucking, and so he's hopped up, jumped to the door, and was ready to crow and attack anything that's attacking her. So funny. She kept adjusting the nest to lay down and clucking, and he's like, what's wrong? What's going on? It's gonna be so funny if they start hatching. I hope they start hatching like be out of here sees it. Gonna hatch today for girls? So yeah, I'm sorry if the wind is loud too. I don't know if it is. But yeah, doing pretty good. We've got 4 roosters outside. This is the day before I moved them out here. I've been in there watering them and talking to them, and somebody was trying to crow, and I'm like, I'm pretty sure, because I was looking right in there at them, and I was like, I'm pretty sure that came outside of this cage, and so we moved all of them out. The night, in the morning, we had a crow in the house. Very squeaky, attempted a crow, but one of the sizzles is crowing. And it's the white one. It's not even Tootsie, it's the white one. So, don't know what we're going to do with another white rooster. We'll figure it out. What are you doing? She's gonna go inside and hide. Please lay your egg inside. She keeps laying it here in the middle of the road, and he walks around like, what's this? What's this? Okay, let's go. I want to rake these up. I don't have a full-size rake, so I'll be out here in my tiny little toy rake. Hi, boys. This is my boys' yard. I gotta fix their water. There's a lot of stuff blew into it. I'll just stay out here. They're like, what? Mama, you were coming in. You pecked my eye, mister. So, funny story. Come over here. No, not drink. Alright. Funny story, guys. I was in there the first night sitting with them and setting up their, trying to show them how to drink and eat and seeing how Barry got along with them. And yeah, one of them popped up and I was cuddling him in my lap and he climbed up on my shoulder and was playing like I was a pirate. And my husband was at the door. We were talking about setting more things up and everything for the night. And I looked at my husband for like 2 seconds, and all of a sudden, this little rooster here, I don't know which one it was anymore, but one of the little boys here just goes and pecks me in the eyeball. And I panicked and put him down, and I couldn't tell if it was bleeding. Like, I was just worried. It's not bleeding, is it? It wasn't bleeding, so we were lucky. It's been watering a lot. Yeah, I have a rock in the middle of that water. It's not that dirty, but the rock is, and then a lot of stuff just keeps blowing in, like those leaves. So, but they figured it out. They like it. And then, let's see, we were setting up that hammock. It's my old hammock. I was like, maybe they can perch on it if they don't really trust it. And the wind's been so crazy. Like, I put sticks in to hold it and open for them. And I put a lot of straw in it. When I came out in the morning, actually before the morning, that straw was down on the ground. It was just gone. And I'm like, oh. Yeah, I thought maybe they'd been playing in it and knocked it out. But once they adjust, either Barry can be out here with them, or we'll be moving them to the garden, and Hen's in with him when they get big enough. But yeah, hammock didn't really work out, so I was like, okay, backup plan. I'm bringing my chair, and they can cuddle in the chair. Because what they did the first night is they surprised me. They slept right there, cuddled up against his cage in the front. And then last night, they were trying to cuddle up over here by the door in the grass, but right up on the doors, and I don't like that. So I took and got that chair ready and brought it in here, and I put a rock on the bottom to try to keep it from blowing too. Hopefully we can like get it staked down so that's not an issue at all. But yeah, I picked them up from their spot in the grass and put them in the chair. Hoped they would stay there for the night and the wind wouldn't blow them down or anything. And when I came out here, yeah, that chair had been slept in because it was full of poops. And it's pretty easy to clean out, so I think this will work until they get brave and start using the hammock. Or we set up the hammock or a table for them better. You know, until we get a coop. I really want a coop because I don't like all this wind on them. Sorry, it's not the best view. Oh, that turkey moved. Okay, I can move. Look at the turks. Oh, turks. What'd you think? You got company and you like it, don't you? You're always out here hanging out with the boys. Yeah, the boys. This is the boys. We got 2 turkey boys and 4 rooster boys. Like, where's our hens? These are not the hens we were looking for. Yeah, doodle. So, other issue last night, one of these guys, I came out of the silkie barn, and one of these guys was on his lawnmower, but the other one was not. And they've been sleeping on the lawnmower together, and I'm like, uh-oh, I'm missing a turkey. Don't see him anywhere in the yard. look up, and there he is on the patio roof. So he didn't get his wings fully clipped, and we're going to have to fully clip his wings because he has figured out that he can manage to get back on the roof. But I mean, if he comes back down in the backyard because his brother's here, then is that really an issue? I want to rake these leaves up and put them in the chicken coops so they can work as the shaving alternative. But I can't really do that without the full-size rake. I used to have them before I moved from the city. I miss having tools. What you doing, Doodle? Sure, a priority. Always gotta do a turkey video. Came out here for the chicks, and here I am with the turkeys. Okay. They are being good, doing chicken things. Chicken thing, chicken thing, chicken thing. Can I get a video? Oh, you're gonna try to pet my finger, aren't you? Okay, maybe not. Don't look at my finger like that, Doodle. Yeah, I saw you. They are big little boys. Yes, y'all are. In a month, you're gonna be twice that size, aren't you? Yeah. Good little buff Barcoots. It's my new rooster pen, I guess. Temporary. I want to get a second one of these to put beside it because I didn't realize it was this small. But I think that'll work out. And the cats are really loving being able to watch these guys through the patio door. Alright. Sure, I come over here and you run away. You're doing good. What you doing? What you doing? Alright. I'm gonna run everywhere. I'm gonna go up to him like, Grandpa, tell us about the... Yeah, I got that in my head. Oh no! My husband was the one saying that it looked like they were all listening to him tell stories. Asking him for advice. I'm like, it's windy. Like, yeah, that's normal. No big deal. It ain't no thing. Chicken wing. See? You show the little boys how to scratch. I can't believe he's already gone through all his grass in that where the cage is. I'm like, oh my goodness, I feel so bad now. So I'll probably move his cage. I don't want to keep him in there all the time either, so I had planned on having them in there first and see how they got along. We'll take turns maybe. Anywho. Oh yeah, the other part of it was the funny part. After one of these doodles pecked me in the eye, later on I was in the garden with their sisters, because that's what I did, is I brought them out here and their sisters in the garden. I hung out in the garden with them and they just wanted to be in my lap. Well, one of them, when I was ready to try to get them in, she was cuddling in my arms for a while, and every time she tried to go up to my shoulder, I didn't let her, but I was trying to put her back up and to take her in, and she hopped up to my shoulder, and then she pooped. She pooped on my shoulder. This is the first time I've gotten pooped on by any of the chicks, like, all year. Even my first ones, like, I did not get pooped on. So, she pooped on my shoulder. I had to wash my hoodie, and got in a couple of places, and I'm like, ew. So, I'm not too thrilled about that. Like, nope, no more shoulder birds. My husband said the rooster, the baby rooster, pecked me in the eye. I was trying to, you know, make sure I was a real pirate and had to have an eye patch. He wanted to be my parrot on my shoulder and me wearing an eye patch. Oh goodness. Pirate hippie, yarr. Look at them. They're just like real full grown chickens. Yeah. I just need your hands to tell the rest. Your hands over here to have it. Such handsome little buggers. Yes, you are. The only one you gotta be friendlier than your daddy is, and I can keep you. So that would be hammer. And then have a little ham. Be like, hammer time. Cuddle time, hammer time. Alright. Peace, love, and chickies, y'all.